Your gentle smile awakens me like the sunrise, warming every shore. You fill my heart forevermore. Through the silence, through the rain, you've turned my sorrow into strength again. Every heartbeat finds its perfect rhyme, growing deeper with the hands of time. When the world feels heavy on our souls, your loving touch makes broken pieces whole. No matter where tomorrow's journey leads, your faithful heart is all I'll ever need. Our love is stronger than the tide, like the ocean deep and open wide. Every wave brings hope anew. Every dream begins with you. With every rhythm, every melody, you are the sweetest part of me. Hand in hand we'll always stand, guided by a love that's heaven planned. The island breeze sings soft tonight, wrapping us beneath the moon's warm light. Every whisper carried through the air reminds me that true love is always there. When the road grows long and steep to climb, we'll keep dancing one step at a time, like roots that hold the tallest tree. Your love keeps giving strength to me. No distance can erase what's true. Every sunrise leads me back to you. The baseline flows just like our hearts, keeping every promise from the start. We'll paint tomorrow with hopeful hands, building dreams upon the sand. As stars appear above the sea, you'll always be my harmony. Our love is stronger than the tide. Forever you'll be by my side. Every season, every passing year only brings our hearts more near. We'll sing this song beneath the skies, with endless love that never dies. Our souls will always beat as one, long after every day is done. So let the reggae rhythm softly play, as love lights up another day. One heart, one dream, one destiny. Forever your love lives inside of me. Your gentle love keeps calling me, like a warm breeze through the coconut trees. You bring my restless heart to ease. Every smile lights up the evening sky, like stars that never say goodbye. In your embrace, I found my place, a quiet refuge filled with grace. If tomorrow brings another dawn, I'll still be right where I belong. With every heartbeat soft and true, my soul keeps finding its way to you. Forever in your arms is where I'll stay, holding on to love each passing day. You're the rhythm moving through my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole, like the moon that guides the rolling tide. I'll always stand here by your side. Forever in your arms I'll be. You're the sweetest melody to me. The ocean whispers secrets to the shore, telling stories of a love worth waiting for. Through every season, joy or pain, our hearts will bloom like flowers after rain. Your laughter dances with the island breeze, a sweeter sound than rustling leaves. Every promise written in your eyes shines brighter than the morning skies. Should the clouds appear someday, our love will never lose its way. Together we'll weather every tide, with hope and faith as our guide. The bassline flows both deep and slow, like the love we've come to know. We'll sway beneath the moon so bright, wrapped in peace throughout the night. Forever in your arms, my heart is free. You've become my sweetest destiny. Every sunrise tells our story new. Every dream begins with you. Through every heartbeat, every song, together is where we belong. Forever in your arms I'll remain, loving you again. Though seasons change, my heart remains the same. Every sunrise brings another chance to hold your hand and share this timeless dance. Your smile is warmer than the summer sun, a quiet reminder we're still one. When the world feels heavy on our souls, your tender love makes broken spirits whole. No perfect story has ever been told, yet faithful hearts are worth more than gold. Through every silence, every tear we've known, we've built a love that's beautifully grown. Love still finds a way through every storm, keeping two hearts safe and warm. When the night grows long and hope seems far, your love still shines just like a star. With every rhythm, every melody, you are my sweetest harmony. Side by side we'll face each day, because true love always finds a way. We've walked through moments filled with doubt, yet never let our flame burn out. Every gentle word, each quiet embrace, brings healing that no time can erase. Like the tide returning to the shore, our hearts keep finding each other once more. Every lesson life has placed before has only taught us how to love even more. When the rain begins to softly fall, I'll be the shelter through it all. And when your spirit feels worn thin, I'll remind you where our dreams begin. The bassline moves like an endless sea, keeping perfect time for you and me. We'll dance beneath the moonlit skies, with forever shining in our eyes. Love still finds a way through every year, growing stronger with each passing tear. Every sunrise paints a brand new start, with your name written across my heart. Through every season, come what may, I'll choose your love each passing day. Together we'll forever stay, because true love always finds a way. So let the island breeze softly sing of faithful hearts and hope it brings. One love, one dream, one destiny. Forever your love lives inside of me. sunlight resting on your face. Every moment feels like saving grace. When you smile, the whole world fades away, leaving only love for us today. Like the gentle waves upon the shore, you give my restless heart so much more. Every whispered word, every loving glance feels like heaven wrapped in sweet romance. Hold my hand and never drift away. Let's write forever one more day. Every heartbeat finds a melody when your loving arms are holding me. Forever comes naturally each day. Every dream begins again brand new. Your love is the light that guides my way, brighter than the breaking of the day. With every rhythm, every harmony, you bring the very best of me. Forever comes naturally, it's true. My heart has found its home in you. Island breezes carry gentle songs, where every lonely heart belongs. We'll dance beneath the moonlit sky, with hopeful dreams that never die. Even when the clouds begin to fall, your loving voice can calm it all. Like the roots beneath the tallest tree, your faithful love keeps strengthening me. No treasure shines as bright as you. No ocean sparkles quite so blue. We'll face tomorrow side by side, with endless love, our faithful guide. The bassline moves just like our hearts, keeping every promise from the start. No distance can erase what's real. Only time reveals how true love feels. When morning sunlight fills the sea, you'll always be the one for me. One love forever shining through. My heart belongs completely to you. Moonlight dancing on the ocean tide. Your gentle smile is where my dreams reside. Every heartbeat whispers your sweet name. Through every season, my love stays the same. The world may change like the morning sky, like summer sunshine after a rain. If the road gets rough, don't be afraid. Together we'll find the promises we made. You'll always be my home, my peaceful place, the light that shines upon my darkest days. Wrapped in your love, my soul is free. Forever you're the melody inside of me. No matter where this life may roam, my heart will always find its way back home. There were nights when silence filled the air, broken promises left everywhere. Still forgiveness found a way to bloom, turning lonely hearts into one room. Every kiss rewrites yesterday. Love grows stronger in its own sweet way. Like the sunrise over Kingston shore, I need your loving more and more. Let the bassline carry every prayer. Let the island breeze erase despair. We'll dance beneath the starlit skies tonight. Shining in the moonlight, I'll always be my home, my sweetest song, the place I've known where I belong. With every breath my heart declares a love that's faithful through the years. Together we'll write our destiny, forever bound in harmony. Love is the rhythm, love is the flame. Every tomorrow calls your name. One heart, one dream, one endless sea. You'll always mean the world to me. The evening breeze is calling soft your name. The stars still shine, but nothing feels the same. We shared a dream beneath the island skies. Now silent tears are falling from my eyes. Your picture rests beside my lonely bed. With every memory, the words we never said. Though love has changed its colors over time, You'll always be a precious part of mine. If tomorrow leads us different place, I'll still be thankful for our yesterday. No bitterness, no blame to hold inside. Only love that never truly died. One last embrace before the morning light. Hold me close and make this moment right. Even if our road should drift apart, you'll forever live inside my heart. With every breeze that whispers through the sea, a piece of you will always stay with me. The vinyl plays our favorite melody, echoing the love that used to be. The rhythm moves like waves upon the shore. A tender song we'll both remember more. I'll send a prayer with every rising sun, hoping life brings joy to everyone. Though our story reaches its final page, love has left its mark that won't fade with age. Maybe someday fate will smile once more, like tides returning gently to the shore. Until that day, I'll cherish every smile, every laugh that made this life worthwhile. No regret can steal the love we've known. Every seed of kindness has been sown. So let the music softly carry on, a sweet reminder after love has gone. One last embrace before we say farewell. Only heaven knows our hearts so well. Though tomorrow writes another scene, you'll remain inside my sweetest dreams. Love may change but never disappears. It lives forever through the passing years. The moon still dances on the silver sea, carrying your memories back to me. Wherever life may lead us from today, our love will never truly fade away. The morning sun still paints the sea with gold, but with Without your touch, the day feels cold. Your laughter lingers like a sweet refrain, yet every heartbeat softly calls your name. I still remember every slow dance sway, the gentle words that carried us away, like island winds that never truly rest. Your love still finds a home inside my chest. If time could turn its hands once more, I'd meet you waiting by the shore. No pride, no fear, no walls between, just the love we've always dreamed. Nothing feels the same without your smile. Every mile feels like another mile. Still I believe our hearts can find a brighter day beyond the night. If love is patient, love is true, then every road still leads to you. Until that day my heart will stay, keeping our love alive each day. The moonlight shines across the quiet bay, bringing back the memories that never fade. Though life has taken us on separate streams, you're still the heartbeat inside my dreams. Every song the radio softly plays carries echoes of our yesterdays. Yet hope still blooms like flowers after rain, whispering we'll smile again. Love is stronger than the passing years, greater than our doubts and hidden fears. Like the tide returning to the sand, I'll always reach to hold your hand. The stars above still light the skies, just like the love within our eyes. No distance can erase what's true. My soul still sings its song for you. Nothing feels the same until you're near. You're the melody I long to hear. Every sunrise brings another chance for destiny to guide our dance. I'll keep believing, come what may. Love will always find its way through every season, every dream. You'll forever mean the world to me. So let the warm breeze carry this song, where two faithful hearts still belong. One love, one hope, one destiny. Forever you'll be part of me. Calling out your name, moonlight and your smile set my heart aflame. Every step you take draws me close to you, like the morning sky, painted fresh and new. Your gentle touch can calm the wildest sea. You bring out the very best in me. When your eyes meet mine, the world stands still, wrapped in a love that time can't steal. Come a little closer, don't let go. There's a feeling only our hearts know. Every rhythm moves so naturally. You're the sweetest melody to me. Only you tonight, beneath the stars above, holding me so close with your endless love. Every heartbeat dances to our song. Right beside you is where I belong. Hand in hand we'll follow every dream, together shining brighter than we've ever been. Only you tonight, forever will remain. Two hearts beating softly in the falling rain. Island winds are singing through the trees, carrying whispers on the gentle breeze. Every smile you give lights up my soul. With your loving arms, I feel whole. We'll dance until the sunrise paints the sky. No need for reasons, no need to ask why. Every promise grows stronger each day, as our love keeps leading the way. If the storm should ever cross our path, we'll find shelter in each other's light. No distance, no shadow, no passing tide can take away the love we hold inside. The bassline flows like a peaceful stream. Your voice still sounds like my sweetest dream. Let's write tomorrow with a faithful heart, knowing nothing can pull us apart. Only you tonight, my guiding light, turning every darkness into bright. Every kiss feels warm and true. Every dream begins with you. Through every season, near or far, you'll always be my shining star. Only you tonight, my heart will say, I'll keep loving you every day. One love rising with the morning sun, two hearts forever beating as one. The music fades, but love stays strong. Together is where we belong. sounds your gentle smile, turning every tear into something worthwhile. When you reach for me with open hands, my restless heart finally understands. Every little laugh, every tender touch shows me that true love doesn't ask too much. Like the ocean dancing with the shore, you make me believe in forevermore. No need for fancy words to make me see. Your loving eyes tell the whole story. Every heartbeat sings so naturally. You're the sweetest part of my destiny. Right here with me, where our hearts belong, building forever, one love, one song. Every kiss feels like the first sunrise, shining hope within your beautiful eyes. With every rhythm, every melody, your love keeps bringing out the best in me. The island breeze carries your sweet perfume, filling every corner of this quiet room. Your gentle spirit lifts me when I'm low, like a river teaching weary hearts to flow. Every promise that we've made is true. Every dream begins and ends with you. No matter where tomorrow leads our way, I'll choose your love every single day. We've known the storms and cloudy skies, still found sunshine in each other's eyes. Hand in hand, we'll keep our faith alive. Together, our love will always survive. No mountain stands too high to climb when your heart is beating close to mine. We'll dance beneath the silver moon, knowing forever can't come too soon. Right here with me, forever will remain, holding on through laughter, joy and rain. Every heartbeat echoes sweet and free, writing our love across eternity. As the reggae rhythm gently sways, I'll keep loving you through all my days. The stars may fade when morning comes, but